Hello everyone, and welcome to this first video from Healing Sounds Harpistry. My name is Cynthia Curry, and I am a certified healthcare musician and a certified sound healer. The purpose of these videos is to help to bring some relaxation to your day, hopefully to make your day a bit more peaceful and joyful. Before I begin to play, I'd like to talk a bit about the harps. These harps are known as therapy harps or angel harps. This particular harp is a therapy harp by Teresa Wells. Teresa does some beautiful work in refurbishing antique auto harps. Part of my attraction to playing these particular harps is the fact that they are antique. I love anything old. I love the idea of having something old that may not be used again refurbished into a beautiful instrument. I also play Celtic harp. The difference between playing this harp and the Celtic harp are many. One, with this harp, I need not know anything about music. I am free to improvise and play directly from my heart to my hands to the harp. With the Celtic harp, some music theory and understanding of music is important, as well as a certain position for your hands and a certain posture. More on that in later videos. But for now, I would like to begin. With each video, I plan to begin with a psalm. Today's will be Psalm 8, verse 1. O Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. You have set your glory above the heavens.